Hey Lunar fam! Ever stared at your phone screen, money burning a hole in your virtual pocket, but unsure how to move it around? Fear not, fellow financially savvy friend. Today's video is your one-stop shop for mastering money transfers within the Lunar app. Think of this as your Lunar Transfer Bootcamp. We'll be covering everything from zipping cash to your bestie for that emergency pizza night to strategically shuffling funds between your spending and saving accounts. So, grab your phone, fire up the Lunar app, and let's get this financial fitness session started. But first, why transfer? Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's chat about why transferring money within Lunar might be your new best friend. Maybe you need to split a restaurant bill, seamlessly settle up with friends after a night out by sending your share directly to their accounts. No more awkward fumbling for cash or dodgy Venmo requests. Fuel your savings goals, feeling that itch to boost your travel fund or emergency stash. Quickly transfer funds from your spending account to your designated savings pocket. Out of sight, out of spend, happy mind. Organize your finances, juggling different accounts? Lunar lets you effortlessly move money between your spending and saving accounts within the app, keeping your financial house in order. All right, convinced? Let's get down to the actual mechanics. Mastering the money move, a step-by-step guide. 1. Accessing Transfer Central. Open the Lunar app and locate that handy arrow icon at the bottom. Tap it, then look for the glorious word transfer. This is your gateway to financial movement magic. 2. Choosing your destination. Now, the app asks you a crucial question: who's the lucky recipient? Here, you have two options. Moving money within your Lunar kingdom. If it's a transfer between your own Lunar accounts, think spending to savings, or vice versa, simply select the target account from the list displayed. Easy peasy. Sending funds to a friend's Lunar oasis, spreading the Lunar love? Tap the option to transfer to someone else's account. Here, you'll need to enter their registration and account number. 3. The power of numbers. Key in the amount you want to transfer. Remember, with great financial power comes great responsibility, and maybe a quick budget check. 4. Selecting your source. Just like choosing your transfer destination, you'll pick which Lunar account the funds will be departing from. 5. Confirmation time. Double-check everything looks shipshape. Happy with the amount, recipient, and source account? Hit that continue button and prepare to witness the magic of money movement. Bonus tip: for those repeat transfer situations, think sending rent money to your roommate every month. You can save recipient details for future lightning-fast transactions. International transfers, a Lunar limitation, for now. While Lunar is awesome for domestic transfers, international money transfers are currently unavailable. But fear not, globetrotting friends. Lunar assures us this feature is on the way, so stay tuned for updates. In the meantime, you can explore other money transfer services for your international needs. Beyond the basics, transfer tips for the savvy Lunar user. Schedule transfers, got a recurring bill or a savings plan in motion? Set up scheduled transfers to automate the process and avoid any late payment stress. Transfer limits, be aware of any transfer limits associated with your Lunar account. These can vary depending on your account type, so check the Lunar website or app for details. Double-check those details. A typo in a recipient's account number can lead to a financial headache. Take a moment to double-check all the transfer details before hitting confirm. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy transferring, Lunar fam.